also we have another
Okay, hold on.
formation here. Here we have the
Take a picture
formation
of
of
there.
mushrooms. Yes, that one is the heart-shaped stone. This one is the brain of this cave.
Where?
Here po, yung mushroom na yan. It looks like a brain of a man.
Or
And
not a woman.
also, we have here the literal egg of the lizard. Here, embedded on the wall. Here, sir. Other way around.
Oh.
That one.
So where's the brand? Yeah, ate.
Back here.
Here.
Okay.
Ayan, nakuha mo na, ma'am. Oh, tapos you can see also the Santa Claus face. Okay, pass. Alright. Here also. Actually, this is the gallery section of the cave. And this is the Mother T-Rex. Yeah,
Mother
like that.
T-Rex.
Okay, nakano mo na, ma'am.
Okay.
And this is the dragon head in front of you.
Okay, dragon
And,
head.
yes, and this one is the fish. We called it tilapia.
Oh, tilapia.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Paborito ng bayan, no?
Of
Tapos
course.
yun na po, yung Santa Claus face formation. There. So, he's smiling. Smile back. And also, we have a little man over there. And also here, the 7 dwarfs of Snow White.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Nakawa na, ma'am.
Okay.
Alright po. So, here also, we have this, a lot of faces. You can turn off the light, sir. So, here in this wall, like this, you can see a lot of faces. It's beautiful. You can count it. Ayan, pag walang light, ma'am, mas makikita mo siya.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Here. Ayan.
Yeah.
Yeah po. So, we count it as 64 faces. The last time we count. Alright. So, here you go, sir. Your camera.
Okay.
Yeah, hold it for a while and then we can take pictures up there. So, this is the broccoli section.
Broccoli.
Yeah. But this one, if you bump your head, it's broccoli.
Yeah,
Bukol,
no.
ma'am.
Bukol mao dito.
Alright. Ipo, dito tayo. Ayan. Alright. Sige po. So, that's only the warm-up section. We have a lot along the way. And here po, we have these pandan leaves. But this one po is used for waving placemats only.
For what? Placemats?
Yes, baskets like
Oh.
that. The one we used to drink, it's the female one. This is the male one.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and it has aroma.
Mhm.
Female one. Sarap, ma'am. Panghalo. Buko pandan.
Mhm.
Yes. Alright. Just be careful. Careful. And this is it. We call this bunglon before, ma'am, because of the wild dogs that stays here.
Where po? Ito po?
Ma'am, yung lugar na to.
Bunglon?
Before we called it Ugong Rock.
Before you
This is-
call it Ugong Rock.
Bunglon.
Bonglon.
Yes. The name of the wild dogs.
Oh, yeah.
So these vines, they use it before to climb from up here, yan, to there.
Mm.
Like Tarzan's.
Oh.
Tarzan and Jane. Okay, so this one is the, if you see it in the Facebook, you will see it, it is Ugong Rock now.
Ugong Rock.
Pwede kayong punta dun sa gitna, ma'am, tapos we'll take pictures na po. Are you okay, sir?
I'm okay.
Okay, so give me your phone.
Okay.
Another pictorial section.
Dito po?
Yes, ma'am. Sa gitna, ma'am.
Ito?